Assalamu alaikum kids, how are you? Welcome back to another new toy collection videos. Wow, many colorful toys. Wow, many beautiful gorgeous toys. Wow, it is a army tank, yellow and green color. Another racing car, red color. Another tractor excavator, black and yellow combination. Another racing car, yellow combination. And another army tank, green and yellow combination. Wow, nice. Wow, beautiful racing transporting car, two soda can. Wow, red color. Another CNG yellow color, orange and blue color dump truck. Nice. Wow, very gorgeous pink color CNG. Wow, and another racing transporting car, yellow color. Nice. Wow, many wonderful toys. Wow, wow, it is a big tractor CNG. Nice. It is a big yellow color tractor. Wow, many wonderful. Wow, nice. Wow, another mini racing car. Wow, wow, nice. Wow, another yellow color racing car. Wow, nice. Another green and yellow combination army tank. Wow, nice. Wow, another green and yellow combination racing army tank. Wow, nice. Wow, red color soda can transporting racing car. Wow, wow, yellow color CNG auto rickshaw. Wow, wow, dump truck, blue and orange color dump truck. Wow, nice. Wow, pink color auto rickshaw. Wow, last one, yellow color transporting car. Wow, nice. Thank you kids. Please like and subscribe. Bye.